maintenance yard from the city of Bellevue, Nebraska with our FL60 Freightliner Ambulance heading home to Linden, Washington. Hey everyone, January 4, 2022. We're in close to Kearney, Nebraska. We just picked up this 2001 Freightliner FL60 ambulance that we're planning to convert to an RV. Picked it up about 2 hours ago. So far, so good. It's a second day of owning this ambulance, and we'll see how it does after a long day of driving and our first cold start under our own steam. I'm expecting good things. I disconnected the battery shutoff switch, so there should be no drain on it, and we'll see how it does. We're holed up in Cheyenne, Wyoming for a day because there's a winter storm happening and the interstate's closed, so gonna enjoy it while we can. All right, let's see how it does. It is snowing outside. Outside temperature, I believe, is around 20 degrees, so fairly cold. Got the battery switch here. Lights up right away, indicating chassis power, and our air ride suspension is down, so we'll see how it does. Key in the ignition. Lots of noise, lots of good sounds. Intake heater still showing. This went off. See how it does. Oh yeah, jump to life, no problem. I was a little worried about the batteries, but looks like it's all doing what it should do. I'm gonna give it time to build up air. Looks like the rear is on its way up. Our air ride down light is flashing. And our low air pressure buzzer is still buzzing. Might take a little while, but that's okay. This is something I haven't seen before, but this has got hydraulic brakes with air brake for parking. It's a completely separate system, of course, but something I haven't seen before. Anyways, here we can see oil pressure looking mighty high when it's this cold. Fuel gauge looking spectacularly high. We put some diesel antifreeze in the tank yesterday to make sure we didn't have any trouble there. Looks like we finally got that air alarm to shut off. And the air down light has gone off. This is, by the way, the first time we're experiencing this on a cold start. Yesterday we picked it up, and I don't know if they started it beforehand. I don't think so, but it was kept inside a heated garage, so it didn't have to perform like this, but it did fine this morning. I'm really happy. We're stuck here in Wyoming. We're gonna go for a quick spin into town just to get some stuff at Home Depot. I want to do some repair work on some of the electrical, and I need a Torx driver. So we're gonna do that now, and we'll check in with you later. And here we are at our hotel room in Cheyenne, Wyoming, waiting out this storm. Snow seems to have stopped a little bit now, but the interstate right out in front of us is closed and we can't get beyond where we are. Stay tuned. Well, that's it for now, folks. There's going to be more videos about our travel, making it back to the West Coast, and also once we get the ambulance there, more videos about the conversion to an RV. Hope you enjoy this. Take care.